Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for stopping by. Please check out our videos about refinishing, flooring installation, and we'll show you a new project we do, refinishing, repair a beautiful hardwood floor.
I will show you the best way to remove the stained finish on heavily beveled, engineered wood floor.
If you don't scrape the edges and the finish, it will look like that after you put the stain and the old finish, and that's very bad. Let me know what you think. Please like, share and subscribe.
It's another video.
It's another video of classic wood floors.
It's another
So
challenge
now
for us.
to remove the dirt, the blackiness from the bevel, that's what we need to do. Hand scrape all the edges. And that's how it's gonna remain nice and clean. And still it's gonna give a lot of character. Beautiful. So we need to remove all the bevel. Little foot, that's the way to go. So it's great to go down and grow, it looks great. So we're ready to put the country oil stain on the hickory floor. Then we're gonna finish it water-based finish satin. It's gonna look great. Not happy. Look how nice it looks. Nice. Hey guys, let me know in the comments what you think. If you like what we did, how we fixed the floor, the refinishing and everything. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.